Ketan and Sia were engaged and set to marry in November. Their families had reportedly booked a luxurious fort worth around 17 crore rupees for the wedding. What was supposed to be the beginning of a new chapter instead turned into one of the most shocking murder investigations in recent times. On June 18th, Ketan and Sia went trekking to Lohagad fort near Pune. During the trek, Ketan fell into a deep gorge and died. Sia initially told police it was a tragic accident, but investigators weren't convinced. As police began piecing together CCTV footage, mobile phone records, location data, witness statements and digital evidence, they say the accident theory started falling apart. According to investigators, this was not an accidental fall, but a planned murder. Police allege that Sia Goyal and her alleged boyfriend Ketan Chaudhary had been planning Ketan's murder for some time. Investigators claim the duo had initially considered poisoning him but later dropped that plan because it carried a higher risk of detection. Instead, police allege they selected Lohagad fort because a fatal fall from the cliff could easily be mistaken for an accident. According to investigators, this wasn't their first attempt. Police claim there were at least 2 earlier failed attempts to kill Ketan. In one alleged attempt, they reportedly tried to push him from the fort but failed. Another alleged plan also did not succeed. Investigators further allege that after these failed attempts, Ketan told Sia that "अब ये काम मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा," after which the final plan was executed. Police also alleged that Sia wanted to end the engagement because she wanted to marry Ketan. During questioning, investigators claim Sia said she had spoken to Ketan about calling off the wedding. But according to her statement, Ketan refused and allegedly said the marriage could not be cancelled because of family commitments and influence. Police say this became the motive behind the alleged conspiracy. Following the investigation, Sia Goyal and Ketan Chaudhary were arrested on charges including murder and criminal conspiracy. The investigation has since taken another turn. According to reports, both accused are now blaming each other for Ketan's death. Ketan has reportedly claimed that Sia pressured him into helping, while Sia has allegedly told investigators that the murder was Ketan's idea. Police are continuing to verify these conflicting statements. Another recent development has drawn widespread attention. During interrogation, according to multiple media reports, Sia allegedly stated that she did not want to marry Ketan because she did not find him attractive, reportedly making remarks that he was not handsome. Separate reports also mentioned comments relating to Ketan wearing a hair patch, although Ketan's family has strongly denied that this had anything to do with the engagement, saying Sia's family already knew about it before the marriage was fixed. Meanwhile, Sia's own parents have publicly distanced themselves from the allegations against their daughter. In emotional statements to the media, they said they had no knowledge of any relationship between Sia and Ketan and claimed Sia never expressed any unhappiness about the engagement. Her mother said, "If my daughter is found guilty, she should receive the strictest punishment. If she is guilty, she should be thrown from the same place where Ketan was pushed." Her father echoed the same sentiment, saying, "Whoever is responsible should get the harshest punishment, even if it is my own daughter." On the other hand, Sia's lawyer has argued that there is no direct eyewitness to the incident and has maintained that the prosecution has not yet produced conclusive evidence linking her to the alleged murder. The case remains under investigation, and the allegations against the accused are yet to be tested in court. What began as an engagement destined for a grand wedding has now become one of the country's most talked about murder investigations. As police continue gathering evidence and both sides prepare for trial, the court, not public opinion, will ultimately determine who is legally responsible for Ketan's death.